All right. Holy shit. That is crazy. Woo! We got air. I was pretty scared there for a second. That was quite scary. Don't touch the wheel when you're going. Apparently. Damn. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh, this is good stuff. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a hydro boat. Well, I did a full run and it is bone dry on the inside. Literally bone dry. That is awesome. ESC and motor aren't anything. I really think this beast could take 4S. This is just on a 3S 2200. Tiny little battery. System's capable of 6S. Probably do like 60 or 70 mile an hour on 6S. Well guys, we didn't run the 4S today. The 3S seems plenty powerful for my very first run. Shoot some comments down there and let me know if I should do the 4S or not. Might be too much.